So I will start with sharing with you a thesis, bringing the power of artificial intelligence with autonomous monitoring, that something that can dramatically change the way that care or remote care is handled, especially elder care. The existing problems, as can be seen, and the coronavirus show it's everywhere, is that something is not working well in the health management. So you can see here that there are too many emergencies, delay in response time. People are get treatment too late. The existing solutions are intrusive, difficult to monitor and predict patients with infectious disease, obtrusive and high cost. And again, predictive capability will change everything. And in VitalAlerter, we have developed a full integrated care platform, which is adopted to health facilities like nursing homes, skilled nursing facilities, but also hospitals and home care. And the core technology is based on two parts. One, unique contactless biosensors that actually small boxes, you can see it in my camera, that by putting them below furnitures like bed, wheelchair, sofas, patients that laying in bed can be monitored. His vitals are monitored. So just to show you an example, if I take my cell phone, attach the device below my cell phone, which is act like a bed, patient that is laying in bed without putting nothing on his body is monitored, including continuous heart rate, respiration rate, HRV, SV, and motion pattern. The second thing, that each of these biosensors doesn't require any special infrastructure from the facility, not any communication, but just good Wi-Fi, nor any server farms or intermediate boxes, and sends every second patient's health parameters to the cloud. In the cloud, we have built our second core technology, which is AI, which build patient's health profile 24/7, 365, look for patient's health deterioration, predict that some of his health may deteriorate, and sends preventive alerts to the care on duty, either nurses, family members, and management. And the value proposition that we bring to our customers can be seen here. It's improved care and quality of life by early detecting and predicting patients' health deterioration. Better response time, we actually send alert prior deterioration happened. The technology is contact-free, wireless, and act like a 24 virtual nurse, cost-effective, high scalability. Customers can start with small amount because there is no special CapEx, and can grow as needed, and of course allows detections of infectious disease and so on. This is a Forbes release about the new technologies that will impact the health market, which include big data, AI, mobile health, wearables, cloud. We have expertise in all those knowledge, but instead of wearables, we have our what we call nearable. We open a new market. We won more than a year ago a key tender led by the Ministry of Health of Israel, jointly with Deloitte, to provide our solution to 270 facilities in the country, which is 40% of the market in Israel, a total of 25,000 beds. And that's a strategic project because it's actually a nation-level project. That's one of the reasons why I'm here in China, because in China, I'm located in Guangzhou, and Guangzhou government actually led similar project to the Israel one, but it covers 2 million elderly people out of 25 million population. And jointly with local providers, we are now deploying our solution here to the Chinese market. Just to let you know, there are about just 250 million elderly people in China. And the one-child policy is making it even more complicated. And in order to progress forward with the economic, they're now working very hard to find massive solutions. That's our traction, worldwide traction. So we went market about 2 years ago, and we have customers, as you can see here, in Israel, China, Hong Kong, Japan, in collaboration with one of the largest health providers, Australia, Europe, in key countries like UK, Italy, Netherlands, France, and so on, and of course, South North America. That's so to summarize the solution: a contactless biosensors that convert normal beds, wheelchair, sofa to smart by just attaching, connected to the cloud, build patient's health profile 24/365, and push to any mobile devices like tablets, apps, the patient's health deterioration. Let me show you a real-time hospital, which are using totally our solution. And this hospital, in this case, is located in Panama City, which is one of the toppest hospitals. And you can see here the entire hospital is equipped with our solution. I might change to Deutsch so you can read in your language. We support, of course, tens of languages. So you can see here now the one department, the status of the entire departments, either in bed or out of bed, and an indication besides each patient, as you can see, no names, because we are very sensitive to privacy and support all the standards, either HIPAA and etc. And the green means that the patient is now in good health quality based on the doctor and nurses setup. And in those patients that does have some problems, a vocal and visual alert is created either to the nurse display, but also to the mobile devices, and they can react to the patients. So you can see in this case, out of about 60 patients in this department, there are just 2 that does need treatment, fall prevention, because all our concept is to predict and prevent. Nurse needs to go to the room, take care of the patient, and press done. And of course, they can see a full monitoring of the entire patient's real time. Heart rate, respiration rate, how much patient is moving, and sleep summary of the patient. Very easy to set up alerts, just pressing the patients, and then they can select specific alert and set done, and that's all. And then now the system autonomously monitor the patient, and once a problem will detect it with this example, patient's heart, an immediate alerts will appear. Of course, we developed a smart BI that allows managers to manage their patients in a very smart way and improve the quality of service they provide to their patients.
Alert, high heart rate.
Okay, you heard a real-time alert now showing that this patient does have something with his heart. Let me jump back to the presentation to complete. So the type of proactive benefits we bring to the customers can be seen here. We are all about to prevent, so we prevent falls. There are many solutions out there that are detecting falls, but preventing falls, it's a different story. Keeping the patients alive and extending and improving, I would say, the health management. We are preventing pressure ulcers. We analyze the patients continuously, and just in case he's not turning by himself, we send alert to the carer on duty or family members to turn the patient. We manage and prevent sepsis. You know, sepsis is one of the toppest killers in health facilities. We analyze patient strengths, including temperature, which exceeds certain numbers, but also same time heart rate, respiration rate, sleep quality, and all those trends allows us to detect such deteriorations. Heart incidents, irregular breathing, epilepsy, seizures, hypoxemia, hypothermia. We have developed also our next generation product, which is a patch. You can see again in my camera, it's a small coin size which attached with bioglue to the patient chest and can monitor advanced parameters like hypoxemia and hypothermia and even posture and so on. And our solution at home can be seen here. seen here, you can see patients that are at home in general, especially those that are fully or semi-dependent, are mostly in beds or in wheelchairs. And we, by putting the devices below each of these furnitures, bed, a wheelchair, and even sofa, patient is monitored 24/7, and health providers can remotely get alerted about predictive patient's health deterioration. The next wearable device is a patch. Again, this is the patch in the display, which is a flexible one, like a Band-Aid. And like a Band-Aid, just remove the cover and stick to the body, and patients can monitor everywhere, anywhere. So to summarize the key differentiations, you can see it here. It's a 24/7 continuous protection. Fast setup, we need just 5 minutes per patient or per bed in order to install. And because it's wireless, it's immediately connected to the cloud, like your smartphone, and everything is controlled remotely. Affordable entry point, we are SaaS-based, we charge per day, per patient, average $3 US per day. It's a cloud-based, so it means that the customer doesn't need to have any expertise in any infrastructure expertise in IT. And we have our machine deep learning algorithms that are real-time and context-based in order to build the patient's health and prevent patient's health deterioration. We spread out currently in 4 continents. So besides Africa, but hopefully now after the peace agreement we signed with our neighbors, we will expand also to Africa. But besides this, in Europe, South North America, Asia, and Australia, we do have already our presence. So thank you very much. And of course, I'm open for any question.
Let me ask you a question. So it seems like you could scale up your business with the decision in moving to China pretty much. Are you still interested in the German market? And if so, what is your main target here?
Of course, yes. We have chain of distributors across Europe. And actually, in the past, we have some potential distributors in Germany. I would say mainly the key delay accessing this big market is the long entry cycle, which now I hope that it will be shortened and it will be more open in terms of accepting such new technologies in. But all I would say facilities like nursing homes and geriatric hospitals are perfect match for our solution. And again, it's end-to-end solution, so there is no special things needed from the customers to deploy, and cost-effective, as I mentioned. Home-based is also very strong, all the telecare, because we are easy to deploy at home, just Wi-Fi, and that's all. And of course, the providers, the telecare providers, can enjoy the ability to manage a huge amount of patients remotely. So, of course, yes, and you are welcome if you are a distributor or potential partner to access us in order to let the German population enjoy the value of this solution.